Tanya with Half Steps, and I have my helpers Emma and Jacob with me today. We are going to show you how to make rain sticks. Originally, rain sticks are thought to have originated in Chile, and they were made with dead cactus tubes and pierced with cactus needles. But today we're going to show you how to reuse various things around your house to make your own rain stick. And you need a few general items. One is a tube. So you can use a paper towel tube, which I know everybody has. It's a little bit flimsy, but it's perfect to use in a pinch. You can also use, what I love are tubes from, leftover tubes from either saran wrap or aluminum foil. They're a lot more sturdy. This one is from the longer heavy duty foil. You could also use a mailing tube, which is perfect because it already comes with the ends on them, or the caps on the ends. You will need some nails. If you don't have nails around the house, then you can use aluminum foil, and essentially what we're going to use those for is to act as a filter, so that when we fill it with our filling, that there's something there that allows them to sprinkle down to the other side of the tube. If you use nails, then you will need a hammer. You will also need scissors and a pen. And you will need something to cap the ends off with. So I have here some heavy duty plastic that's left over from some packaging. But you could also use leftover cardboard from your soda cans or cereal boxes. And then you'll need something to fill it with. So here we have some various grains of different sizes, and I think it's really fun to have the kids experiment with how it might sound different, both for the size and length of the tube, as well as what you fill it with. So here we have corn, we have some rice, we have barley, and we have some sprinkles somewhere in there that Emma has already mixed with barley. So that is for your filling, but you can use birdseed or any other hard grain type material to fill your tubes with. And then lastly, you need something to decorate it with. So I just have a couple of examples here of construction paper and craft paper, or just a brown shopping bag that you can decorate and then wrinkle up and unwrinkle and wrap around here to make it actually look more like a real, cactus rain stick. But you could use paints, glitter, all kinds of different things that you want to use. So, all right, so let's get started, and I'm going to show you how to use nails to create the filter in your rain stick. So if you are using nails, ideally you want a nail that is long enough to go almost all the way to the other side of the tube once you nail it in. I only found a few that actually work, and I have some much shorter ones, so what I might end up doing is do two, one on either side, to help create a good filter. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is mark every place where you need to put the nails, and what you want to do is start almost at the top and about 1 centimeter or more. That's going to be a lot for this one, so we'll do it a little bit wider than 1 centimeter and just go diagonally all the way down the tube. What's nice is that you can kind of be guided by the diagonal grooves of the tube. And you're going to do that all the way down. So I have found a few long nails, so what I'm going to do is kind of do every other long and short nail until I run out of the long nails. And I've marked this spot. It might be good to have some protective glasses. All right, Emma, can you go over near Jacob?
Mom, go over here. Come on, Emma. This spot.
Mm-hmm. Okay. That's a little easy. Just push it in.
With my foot.
Mm-hmm.
Sprinkles. See it?
You eating the sprinkles?
Yeah.
Okay. This is how it looks when all the nails have been placed in the tube. And if you look down and you get some light in there, whoop, you can see how it looks in there. Okay, now we're going to show you how to use aluminum foil as a filter for something a little less sturdy like the paper towel tube. So you want a length of foil that's at least 1.5 lengths of your tube. And you want to wrinkle. This one's probably about 2 times the length. And what you want to do is wrinkle it and press it into sort of a rope. And then you want to create a coil. And once you have made that coil, then you can stuff it into the tube. Alright, let's see. Did it make it all the way in? Nope. Push it through and pull it so that it kind of ends up here and here, okay? Okay, so now we're ready to cap one end of the stick before we fill it. So the first thing we're gonna do is, I think it might be cool to actually see the grains on either side of the stick, so I'm gonna use this clear one for now. So what we're gonna do is make sure that you have a circle that's quite a bit bigger than the actual tube. I'm going to mark a couple spots. So basically we're going to cut this out and then cut some slits that go all the way up to where the tube actually sits here. And our outlets do not work outside right now. So we're gonna go in and hot glue these off camera. And hopefully the hot glue won't melt it too much. So this is basically what we're gonna do, is glue it all the way around here. Probably easier to put the glue on the tube itself. And then fold the sides down and glue down the sides, or you can use packing tape. So that's essentially what it's going to look like. Sorry if it's blurry, okay. And then we're going to do the same thing with the paper towel tube, and this time we're gonna use the cardboard. So we'll just trace the tube.
Yeah, want me to cut it?
No, thanks.
Alright.
And then we'll do another little larger circle all the way around.
Yep.
Yep.
And this
Cut it
one.
out and then cut the slits. And be ready to go.
Torn.
Emma, can you sit down, please? Emma.
Yeah, I'm torn that.
And for this one, no. Emma, no. For this one, we will do duct tape or packing tape to secure.
Can you give it to me? So you want to put it in?
I probably should have done it on the printed side so you don't see that circle, but that's okay because we'll eventually decorate it.
Yes.
And then we'll fold it down like that.
Put it down.
And tape all around the end. Okay, so we have added our filters. We have also capped one end of the tube, this one with cardboard and secured with duct tape, and then this one with a sort of heavy-duty clear plastic, and then secured with hot glue. So hopefully I put enough hot glue in there that the little tiny pieces aren't going to fall out, but we will find out. The last thing you want to do before capping the other side is to fill it with your grains or whatever it is that you decided to fill it with. And ideally you want to fill it only actually to about 1/10 full, but you can kind of see how it sounds after you fill it and see if you want to fill it with more things. So Emma, we're going to start with you. What would you like to fill your rain stick with? You want to try a little bit of everything? Yeah, you want some corn? All right, put it in here. Just scoop it into here, right into the tube. Ooh, we can already hear it kind of going down, right? You want to put some more corn in or put some rice? More corn? Okay. And rice, okay. That's good. Ooh, doesn't that sound neat when it goes down? And of course the sprinkles. And how about a scoop of barley?
Okay.
Wow. Okay, so I'm just gonna cap it with my finger to see how it sounds when we turn it upside down, okay? Ready?
Do it.
You do it, okay.
No, I won't hold it.
Okay, you do it. All the way, all the way. Wow. That sounds kind of cool, right? I did find another tutorial that said to use 3 pieces of foil and braid them together to go down the center. So we might try that one next, because this one sounds like they're going down pretty fast. Still sounds cool though. I'm excited to hear how it sounds with the nails as the hard grains bounce off of the nails all the way down the tube. So we're just gonna let Emma keep on playing with that, but actually Jacob needs the scoop. I don't know where our other scoop went, but Jacob needs the scoop to fill his. So can you let him borrow it for a little bit, please, Emma? All right. That one has a little bit of everything, doesn't it? All right, so I'll hold this, Jacob, or do you want to hold it and then?
Hold it.
Okay.
Emma, please, can
And
I
just
hold
tell us what, here, let's let Jacob borrow it and then, whoa! And then we can go back to filling yours, okay? So tell us what you're filling it with, Jacob.
I'm gonna fill it with some corn. And some rice.
I bet he wants some sprinkles.
And no sprinkles.
No sprinkles? Why
I
not?
heard you.
Well, I know, but they're so colorful and you can see them
Emma,
through
can I
the...
have the sprinkles? Yeah.
Yes, let Jacob have some sprinkles. And apparently whatever barley you put in there.
Yes. And a little bit more.
Right.
There.
All right, so put your hand covering the whole thing and turn it upside down. Let's hear how it sounds. Whoa. That sounds pretty cool, but it also sounds like they're going down pretty fast to the other side. So I think it does sound pretty cool. I think I'm gonna actually add more of those short nails on the opposite side just to create more of the filter. Yeah, what do you think?
Yeah.
And it's pretty cool because you can see them. I don't know if you can see
Emma,
that as Emma's
she's
trying to
filled
eat all
the
the sprinkles. You can see the grains through that clear plastic, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna end it right here for now, but what I would love is for you all to send us pictures or videos of the Rainsticks that you made, and then once we all finish decorating them, I will re-edit the video and add your photos and show how we decorated ours. But the last thing you need to do, besides make sure that your kids don't eat the dry grains, is to put a cap on the other end, just like you did here, once you're happy with the sound of it and everything, and then decorate. All right, have fun.